What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get thousands of qualified leads with this technique that I'm going to show you, and also create an automated outreach system that is going to nurture the qualified leads for you and get them to actually book meetings with you and have your calendar full of meetings. So in case you're not paying those fancy platforms for getting you to actually getting you to pay for the qualified leads that are even sometimes not qualified enough, I'm gonna show you actually how to get hot leads, also qualified ones, how to get automated outreach systems for nurturing them, and also get them to book meetings and do follow-up sequences, fully automatic. So stay with me. Okay, so at first I'm gonna get down to earth and as always explain everything in a quick mind map on Paint. So you can just see what I'm doing in here and see what you need and what actually are we doing. So the first thing that we're obviously going to need is Chat GPT or any kind of AI platform. The next thing would be for the follow-up sequences and the automations would be make.com. And also you're just going to need a Google search. That's it, which is obviously available in anyone's computer or mobile. So that's everything you need basically. Nothing more than this. You can also use the free version of ChatGPT and also make.com. So everything could be free here. So let me just quickly explain what we're going to do here. So what we're going to do is basically we're going to search for the niche that you want the qualified leads from. You're going to search the niche or actually search the actual information that you want. For example, you want emails and you want to extract them, for example, from Instagram. And this is going to be from the real estate industry, right? So I'm going to show you what is the correct search format so you can extract the data that you want. And then what we're going to do next, let's say we have now searched for what we want. Now how to actually extract the data and turn it into an Excel sheet that you can actually use and feed it to your automated system. So let's say you have the data here. You're going to copy and paste the data into ChatGPT and then obviously ask ChatGPT to format the data as you want it. So obviously it would be an Excel sheet, a Google sheet, or I don't know, a CSV file. It doesn't really matter. The way you're going to use it, you can just ask ChatGPT to format it as you want. So in this case, we are obviously going to change it or have the format as CSV or in an Excel table. Then we are going to feed the CSV file to make.com automation that is going to have automated outreaching system, follow up with emails or whatever kind of thing that you can do, and no limits. It's just creativity of yours. So I think we don't actually need to explain anything more in here because we actually need to see it all in action. So let's waste no more time and get to the actual automation part. So I'm just going to be real quick in this video because less time, more efficiency. So let's just start what we can do. You're going to open up a search engine as I'm going to show you here. So let's say you're going to search for qualified leads in the real estate industry, in the real estate niche. So I have everything copy and pasted on my site. So I'm just going to copy and paste everything and then have them all in the description of the video. So what you can do here, let's say you're going to search for uh, actually, let's say the real estate industry, right? What we're going to do is basically something like this. So let me just get ready in here. So we can just copy and paste the whole thing into Google's search query. Okay. This should be the format that we are looking for. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste it here. So this is the format that we're actually looking for. So here in this double quotient, you have to paste the niche that you want. So let's say real estate, obviously. That's what we're looking for the sample of this video. And you can also add a lot of keywords here. You know this is just keyword based searching in Google, so that's why it's really important. You can add more keywords, for example, real estate or I don't know, real estate agents, or you can also add, for example, uh, Gmail or yahoo.com or whatever kind of email system that you can use. So these would be the keywords that are going to be searched in the search engine. And obviously you see the site we are looking for to extract the data from is Instagram here. You can also search for LinkedIn or whatever kind of platform that may have these information. So we just search it up. Boom, you're basically having all of the data here. So what we're going to do, let's see. You're going to actually copy and paste the whole page like this, or even if it's a longer page, you can just do Control A. That's it. So we copy and paste it, and you are going to open ChatGPT at this place. So here we have ChatGPT. Here's also our previous testing. So I'm gonna paste this into ChatGPT, and then at the bottom, I'm going to ask ChatGPT an exact thing that I want. So please format, or you know what, let me also, since I have it all here on my side, let me also copy and paste this exact thing, same thing here. So we're going to ask ChatGPT the exact prompt that I'm copying and pasting here. Format the following data in a table with columns: full name, company name, website URL, email, and phone number. Obviously, if they exist. So we're going to ask it to do this for us, and let's see what would the outcome be. Okay, it is analyzing the data. Should obviously get something like an Excel sheet or a table or something. So okay, can download the second CSV file from the link below. Okay, the reason it said second because I was testing it previously, so I made sure it's working. Okay, let's download the CSV file. I'm gonna download the CSV file, and here we have it. Okay, this should be the file. I'm gonna open it up, and boom, you have just extracted 13 new leads for yourself, or actually 12. Let me just make it wider. So you see, you have their full name, you have their company name, uh, you have their email, you may have their phone number, whatever kind of data that exists, for example, in their bio, or I don't know, their username, anything related to their Instagram profile, it's going to be on the search page. So you can also expand the search page, so it's going to show you more results, and then after copy and pasting it into ChatGPT, you are actually having it having a more broader list of obviously qualified leads. So let's say we have this file here, okay? You're obviously going to upload it to Google Sheets, so you can make it or use it in the next sequence of our automation. So we're going to next open up ChatGPT. I'm sorry, not ChatGPT, actually make.com. And I'm going to create a really simple, just for a sample of the video, really simple automation that is actually going to, okay, I need to refresh the page. Okay, at the meantime, I'm going to explain it to you. So we are going to create a really simple automation that is going to send follow-up emails or just outreaching new qualified leads, and actually just maybe cold emails or whatever you call it. And as I told you previously, it just depends on your creativity, and you can make it even more complex and do create follow-ups, do some kind of different kinds of automations. And let's see what we can do. So at the first place, I'm going to use a Google Sheet, and we're going to, let's say, okay, we're going to actually watch the new rows added to the Excel sheet. Then you're going to obviously select your row, your what's it called, your preferred Excel sheet that you're actually updating your qualified leads in there. Then what you're going to do there is basically something like this. So I'm going to also add a Gmail, send a Gmail. Then what is going to be next is something like this. So for example, this is obviously the first email, right? So I'm just going to quickly copy and paste everything I have on my side here, so we don't waste no more time in the video. So what we can basically do, I'm going to say, let's say this is the sample subject of the email that we're going to send to the customers. And let's say this is the content or the body. So you can see you're going to paste the data that you want here. The company name is going to be pasted from the Google Sheets. Obviously, since I haven't connected the Google Sheets, it's not showing me any kind of data, but you're going to drag and drop the data for your, let's say, let's just bring it here. Let's say this, for example, just for example, this is the company name, the data coming from your Google Sheet. You're just going to copy and paste it here. Let's use this one, for example. Let's say this is the data. Okay, let me eat this. Okay. Let's just say this is data. So you're just actually going to drag it and drop it here. Let's assume this is the company name. That's it. Really easy. And that's it. Basically, you can do follow-ups and even more complex automations. You can add any kind of thing. You can let's say you're going to set a filter and see if they respond or something like that. Then you're going to send them email back to back, back and forth. And that will be basically it. Nothing really complicated. Also, if you think at any moment you think these are a little bit complicated to you, or you don't understand these, or maybe you just want to be in the space of these automations and uh, meet new people that actually do these kind of stuff, you can consider joining our community on School, uh, or you can join our free newsletter on our page, our website called thehire.ai. So I can just bring it up for you, thehire.ai. You search it up, and this would be our website. If you click on get a demo now, you're going to get a demo call from our voice AI agents, which you should have obviously seen in our previous videos if you're a member of this channel. And you can also join our community here, and you can also subscribe to our free newsletter and see what's going on there and get weekly and daily updates on what we do and what is it actually going on in the AI and automation world. So this one was just a real quick video for you guys, and I'm not going to waste any more time from you. That was it, and I don't think anything would be left to do, and everything was really simple and quick. So that's it, and I think see you in the next one.